Hello everyone, this is Hanan and you're watching this video on my YouTube channel Tech with Hanan. Viewers, Samsung is working on another smartphone. Samsung is working on Samsung Galaxy F62. According to different rumors and reports, the mass production has begun for Samsung Galaxy F62. If you talk about the specifications, although there's not as much details about this Samsung Galaxy F62, but it is expected that Samsung Galaxy F62 will have the 6 GB RAM and Samsung Galaxy F62 is going to be the first smartphone of Samsung which will come with Android 11 and pre-installed One UI 3.0. It is expected that Samsung will launch in the first quarter of year 2021. The expected, if you talk about the more specific expected date, release date for Samsung Galaxy F62 is going to be then the late January or mid of Feb. Samsung is going to launch Samsung Galaxy F62. So far about this mobile phone, Samsung Galaxy F62, this was all the information. Although there is no official confirmation yet about the Samsung Galaxy F62, but I will keep you updated about this and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.